Hello guys, and we are back with another video, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the Canon EOS M50. So I'm excited because we're trying to advance, and of course when you're just starting out like we are, it can be expensive, so we do a little at a time, and if that's what you have to do what you have to do. So we went to Best Buy and picked this up curbside, and it was quick, it was easy, it was fast, and we had it. So we're going to open the box. Ooh. Here I go. I'm about to barbarically tear something open again. Ooh. There we go. All right. Ooh. Okay. Right on top, you get the manual, registration papers, or whatever, what have you. There we go. We've never really used the manuals on the other one. To me, it's a little more easier to figure it out by hand rather than to read the book. And if there's something you stuck on, or you got a question, or you're trying to change something, then refer to the manual. So keep the manual because you might need it. Okay. So in here we have, this is the body of the camera. We'll get to that in a minute. This is the battery of the camera. This is the battery pack. This is the strap. And this is the lens, I suppose, that goes with it. Now, right off top, for the price that we paid for this, my thing is, I know, but that, you know, it's small and compact, but my thing is, it doesn't have a bag. That, to me, right there is a turnoff. It's not a deal breaker, but it is a turnoff because you want to keep your investment safe. You know, this was, for most people, you know, $500 is a pretty penny. So you want to be able to keep your stuff safe in a safe place rather than to just sit it on something. So that right there, right off, bothers me that it doesn't have a bag. As soon as she brought it out to the car, I thought to myself, well, it's awfully.
Didn't have a bag when I ordered it.
I didn't though. I thought initially the Canons come with bags, just the one we ordered.
The one you got, the last one you had,
the
T6
was
a full kit.
Okay.
That's why you had so much.
This is a full kit, isn't it?
No,
this is
that's a kit, but that's
this is a smaller kit.
You had a different kit.
Well, this doesn't come. This is the lens kit that it comes, but it doesn't come. This is other than
that's a basic kit.
It's a basic kit. I don't think there's no more lenses that come. You have to buy them extra. They do have one with, Best Buy did have one with a speaker, but they didn't have it in store. It was the Rode speaker. So I think we're going to make plans to get that later. The microphone, yeah. Sorry, speaker, microphone, speak, spoke, heard. Okay, but here we have it. Let's go over the body real quick. It's just like the Canon that I had, except a very tiny one. One thing that I like about this is that it has the open and close screen. My T6 did not, and that was a big problem for us because even taking pictures, if you remember at the family reunion, I kept having to look at it and, you know, before I set it, and it was just so hard to see the screen. And this turns forward and backward, and look at how nice it closes. Yeah. Right here on the side, it has a spot for a microphone. Let me see how it works right there. Okay. So I guess you just kind of, don't have me tearing up nothing, honey. Okay, well, there's a little flap right there if you look at it. I don't really know how to get that open right now, but I will later. I don't want to tear it up, you know, because you want to be able to cover this up later. You don't want to get anything in the jack of it. Look at this. Okay, there we go. There we go. Thank God for nails, right? Okay, then you turn it down. There is the speaker, or the audio jack, or what do you call it? The microphone jack. See, I'm not used to this because I've never had to, you know, do an unboxing, but here we are. But that's right there, and this is just just cover it up. And then we have the flash here. Didn't you open this before?
Right on top. No, on top of the camera.
Where? Okay. Well, let's see it.
Right here.
Where?
There's you feel that little knob right there?
Well, they could have made that a little more noticeable.
Well, you remember the T6.
It wasn't like it just popped up. Yeah. I'm just not used to this camera. I'm used to my T6. Everything was automatically, you know. So
here's a bigger camera.
Much bigger. So there's the tiny little flash. And well, just the standard buttons that Canon has. Well, video and manual and yeah, just the standard buttons there. Then you have these on the back that are not hard to access or read. So we're gonna work it with you. I just wanted to initially go over the parts because we're all about to learn this together because I don't know what I'm doing. So
I'm the biggest one's gonna learn because I'm the one that operates it.
okay, and then here is the jack or the charger. So anyhow, here is the charger block that you plug into the wall. And the battery is right here. Now, I don't know, Mark, but can you read this or read on the side of the box? Or let me see. Digital zoom camera, zoom lens, neck strap, battery charger, and battery pack. Yeah, I was looking for how well what the battery was. But I'm not sure. Let me open it and see. So I did not open it. So, all right. Little, much smaller than the T6 battery, but they said that it's a pretty good battery, whichever it is, and we'll get into that later on in the video because I'm actually going to do, I'm going to use it tonight for a video. So we're going to see how it records just on its manual settings and auto settings, and we're just kind of learning together. You don't know either? I don't know. Shoot. Okay, so I guess you just put it in here. Let's see. Yeah, that's right. And oh, that's it. You just sit it in there.
And then plug it in.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're gonna. Oh, let's go with this. This is a strap. But let's go over the lens. This is the 1545, I believe. Yeah, 1545 milliliter or millimeter lens. Let's see. I think it's, well, Think Media said it's probably the best lens for this camera. But you can, the good thing about the Canons is that they make the Canons where any lens will fit. And some of them you might have to get a lens adapter for the bigger, oh God, guys, I can't even ignore it. Like, my husband just crushed his whole damn cup on sweet tea because he has hands like the freaking Hulk Hogan. You know, I'm constantly telling you to stop grabbing stuff. Like, God, I'm telling you, man. Accidentally slapped the dog trying to rub her, so I'm just saying he's rough. Okay, so we're gonna get this all put together. We're gonna see how this all works out, and when we do, we'll be back. So we have it all. What's with the light?
I don't know. It just came on. It never came on before.
Is it too much light?
No.
Okay.
It's actually better.
So we have the camera in. We have to go get a memory card for this to work. But this is pretty cool because, oh, well, what just happened? There we go. This is pretty cool because here it shows you what the pictures look like. This is automatic, I believe, or whatever. Hybrid auto. Look how nice those are. Scene, special scene, choose a shooting mode for the scene. And you just, probably, it's touchscreen, so, well, we ain't touching that. Let me see.
Probably can't do it when the screen's out.
Right. Well, the screen's not out. I see what you're saying. Like, with it folded out.
It's got to be pushed back to the camera.
Movie recording, choose a movie, or choose a movie shooting mode. Okay, and then this is back to manual exposure, and there you go. I like that it's touchscreen. I don't know much about the camera, but we're all about to learn how this all works out. I'm gonna film with this, and this is back to the aperture. Adjust the level of background blur. So you have a choice. This is blurred and this is sharp. So you have a choice if you want the blurred background, like how when we take our pictures of the food, you have a choice between the blurred background and a sharp background where it shows everything clearly. So let's just keep on going, and let's go back to, oh no, that was right, TV. Okay, shutter. Ooh, look at that, Mark. Oh no, don't do it to me, peoples. Okay, let me see. Oh well, I think the battery, there we go. See, and there you can pick one, flowing or frozen, I would imagine. Adjust shutter speed to make moving subjects look still or capture motion blurring. Okay. Well, see, like I said, we don't know much about this, but we're about to learn. And we'll talk about the camera when I come back with the video tonight. So this is it for the unboxing. Just give us a bit and we'll be back with the video, and we're just all gonna see how this all works out together. I'm excited. How about you? Okay, so let's get started. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Have a great